real danger here. It's mostly tiger and bull sharks that I have to worry about. Talking about bull sharks, Hector wants to introduce me to someone who had a close encounter with one. For sure, okay. So he was net fishing for mud. He was waist deep in the water, and the water here is murky, so you can't really see what's going on in the water. And all of a sudden, he felt a presence by his leg. Before he knew it, the shark got him. Ok. Et il sait quel type de requin c'était? 300 kilos. Des boulots. I'm not sure that hearing this story was such a good idea, because now, Ed was telling me about a spot for chimeras